नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू SBI सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस पे। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। सो द वॉल स्ट्रीट किक्ड ऑफ द वीक ऑन अ स्ट्रॉन्ग नोट विद ऑल द थ्री मेजर US indices ending Monday in the green. The Nasdaq led the gains with a sharp rally of 1.42%, followed by the S&P 500 climbing 0.94% and the Dow advancing 0.75%. The S&P 500 continues to exhibit strength, trading comfortably above its key moving averages, a sign of sustained bullish trend. Talking about Brent crude initially surged to a high of $76.98 on Monday, but failed to sustain gains and reversed to close at $71.70, down nearly 3%. Going forward, the zone of $75.5 to $75.8 may act as a key resistance, while $72.5 to $72.2 is seen as an immediate support. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index ended the Monday on a flat note. However, the broader structure remains bearish as it continues to trade below key moving averages. The index may drift lower towards the 97 mark, with 98.5 to 98.7 acting as a crucial resistance zone on any pullback. Talking about Nifty's view in the first trading session of the week, the benchmark index Nifty closed on a strong note, ending at the 24,946 level with a gain of 0.92%. One of the most striking aspects of today's session was the broad-based buying momentum that swept across all sectoral and thematic indices, reflecting widespread investor confidence. Leading from the front were the Nifty IT and Nifty Realty indices, both of which posted robust gains and helped anchor the market's upward move. The positive sentiment wasn't limited to large cap stocks. Broader markets also displayed strength. Both the Nifty Midcap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 indices took support near their 20-day EMA levels, which acted as a springboard for a sharp rebound. This strong bounce back held them close deep in the green. From a technical standpoint, the Nifty has convincingly moved above its 20-day EMA, forming a sizable bullish candle on the daily chart. Additionally, the daily RSI has also bounced back from the neutral 50 levels and is now on the verge of delivering a bullish crossover, signaling strengthening momentum. आगे जाकर 25,050 to 25,080 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इंपॉर्टेंट हर्डल का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 25,080 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो शॉर्ट टर्म में ये 25,200 का लेवल टेस्ट कर सकता है। वही नीचे की तरफ अगर तुरंत गिरावट आती है तो 24,830 to 24,800 का जोन एक कुशन प्रोवाइड कर सकता है। On the derivatives front, the June future surged by 1.09%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series also surged by 1.12%, which indicates an overall long build-up. The 25,000 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 25,100 strike. On the put side, 24,900 has a substantial open interest, followed by 24,800 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 1.11. Talking about Bank Nifty took support near its 34-day EMA in the Friday session and followed through with a pullback rally on Monday. Significantly, it has also reclaimed its 20-day EMA, which adds to the bullish undertone. Crucial levels की बात करें तो 55,600 to 55,500 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 56,300 to 56,400 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल के रूप में काम करेगा। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex also surged above its 20-day EMA level on Monday and ended near the 81,800 level. आगे जाकर 81,500 to 81,400 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 82,200 to 82,300 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल की तरह काम करेगा। On the derivative front, the weekly future surged by 0.97% and the open interest of the current series has also surged by 52.77%, which indicates an overall long build-up. The 82,000 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 82,500 strike. On the put side, 81,500 has a substantial open interest, followed by an 81,000 strike. The OIPCR is at 1.10. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility gauge India VIX slipped by 1.61% on Monday. Going ahead, the zone of 15 to 15.2 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while the zone of 13.5 to 13.3 will act as a crucial support. The advance decline ratio tilted in the favor of advances. Talking about the key sectors, Nifty IT continues to outperform the frontline indices and is currently trading above its short and long-term moving averages. The daily RSI is placed in bullish territory and rising, which suggests that the uptrend may extend further in the near term. Apart from IT sectors such as realty, financial services, CPSE, and healthcare are showing strong relative strength and are likely to maintain their outperformance in the short term. Talking about the FIDA data in the cash segment, the FI is sold to the tune of 2,539 crores, while the DI is bought to the tune of 5,781 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 20.21, as on a net basis they bought 2,466 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.